start with data first because
Please.
data, as they say, garbage in, garbage out. So data is the prime, source of analysis. AI helps you firstly to, gather structured, unstructured data, as well as it can analyze data which we didn't think was possible, like which is not quantifiable also, like behavioral aspects. So we used to have proxy factors, like let's say for motor insurance, we would know the age of the person and let's say
No, it's okay. Carry on.
the vehicle type. But, by starting the let's say for telematics, the driving behavior of a person can be studied, which can really, help you to determine the price that should actually be charged to that customer rather than just proxy factors which were there.
Right.
And you can also combine it with external data that you have based on environmental conditions, in case of any accidents are to take place. So, you can actually use a lot of data which can be analyzed using artificial intelligence. Also, like that, you to make sure that your data doesn't have underlying biases.
Right.
You need to make sure that it is a good representative of your target population. So for that also you can use unsupervised learning of machine learning concept like K means clustering and all to actually make sure that your data is a good representation of the target that the target population, and that way you will remove a lot of biases which are underlying the data set. So yeah, I mean, obviously our predictive models do use most of these aspects when we are
But
predicting.
you put proxy factors.